Breaking news coming in. BJP MLA, leader of opposition in West Bengal Assembly, Shubhendu Adhikari at Prime Minister's residence amidst the churn in BJP's Bengal unit. The meeting is coming after he met Amit Shah and JP Nadda yesterday. Paulami is now joining us for the very latest. Paulami, Shubhendu Adhikari and the Prime Minister having a meeting. What's on the agenda?
Well, this is, of course, a courtesy call that Shubhendu Adhikari is paying the Prime Minister since, of course, the Bengal election results and his selection as the leader of the opposition in the West Bengal Legislative Assembly. He will, of course, be apprising the Prime Minister about the developments in Bengal, specifically in relation to the post-poll violence and incidents of these violence which have been reported from the state of West Bengal. The BJP, of course, has been saying that there is no, downslide as far as these incidents are concerned, though the TMC says that these incidents have been controlled since the time Mamata Banerjee swore in within 2 days of the results being declared. But the BJP, of course, mounting pressure on, the TMC in the state and, of course, also bringing that petition over here to the centre. Like you mentioned, Shubhendu Adhikari met with the Home Minister yesterday. He met with his party president, Mr. JP Nadda, as well. And today he's meeting with the Prime Minister again to apprise him of the situation on the ground. But of course, this is coming in the backdrop of a lot of organizational murmurs within the West Bengal BJP state unit, because what we're hearing is that there are a lot of party leaders, especially those who came from the TMC in the wake of the elections that were to happen at the point of time, are now looking to return to the TMC, and some of those voices are in fact speaking out now openly in the public domain as well. So a lot of churning. We expect 3 more BJP leaders to arrive in Delhi today and meet with the party president as well, which includes Soumitra Khan, Arjun Singh, Member of Parliament, as well as Nishit Pramanik, a Member of Parliament who contested the assembly elections and won from the seat of Dinhata. These are leaders who are coming from constituencies which have seen a lot of post-poll violence incidents, but we cannot discount the fact that there is a lot of churning, like I said, within the organization itself, with leaders indicating that they might want to return to the TMC.
All right, Paulami, thanks for bringing us up to speed with the very latest details on the story. We'll keep coming back to you for more. Days after deserting the